The sunrise Izumo bound for Tokyo. Hey guys, it's me, Orkeltron, and today, let me go over here. Today we are in the city of Izumoshi, and today I'm gonna travel on the sleeper train from this town all the way to Tokyo. So yeah, that's gonna be fun, I think. It's my first time on a sleeper train, so this is gonna be a fun experience, I think. So yeah, also guys, I climbed this hill for the intro, and I'm pretty sweaty because it's very hot. So please like and subscribe to like justify my suffering. So yeah, let's get on with the video, guys. Guys, check out this cool ass butterfly I found. It's like black and blue. So that's pretty cool, I guess. Anyways, let's get on with the video, guys. Sorry about that. So guys, this is the train. The sunrise Izumo bound for Tokyo. Let's go, guys. I'm in car number 7, which I think is like the very front of the train. So let's go check out my luxury private room, guys. The other rooms look like this, it's like bunk beds, but I paid extra for a private room, so it's called the single. So that's pretty cool. Is this it? No, that's car number 7 for another train. Here it is, guys. So yeah, let's get on board and get this party started, guys. I brought some snacks. So yeah, let's check out the front of the train. So guys, this is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. It's like a double-decker sleeper train. Very nice. So guys, I'm gonna have one of these rooms, or this. Let's hope I get the upper floor, so I get this like good views. Let's go on board. It's the upper floor, guys. That's so cool. So guys, this is my room tour. I'm quiet because I don't know how thin the walls are. I think they're pretty thin. But yeah, we have a lock, a handle, emergency or lock only. We have supply voltage may shut down or fluctuate. So that's pretty cool. We have one of these, like a pyjamas pillow and a blanket. Got this cup. This is the bed, guys. Very nice. Over here we got like the control panel. We got like the radio, which is pretty nice. We got the light switches. That's pretty nice. And we got the heater, which is turned off because it's hot outside. And it's located over there. So yeah, that's pretty nice. We also got a map of the train if you wanna check it out. There is no smoking. So yeah. Also guys, at the station there was like merch for the train, which I bought. It's this thing. I don't know what it is. Comes with like and a toothbrush. It has a toothbrush and a towel. So yeah, there is actually a shower on board that I'm gonna try later. So yeah. So guys, this is the shower room. As you can see, it's a hairdryer and some buttons on the floor. This is like the shower room, a shower in it. Very nice. Also guys, this is the toilet. There's like a chair for babies to chill in, I guess. That sink also, that kinda works. Yeah, very nice. And of course there's the toilet. As you can see, there's some paper inside that's free to take. And water also to drink. So yeah, very nice. So guys, for some reason there's also like a sink out in the hallway. This also has like water in it. That's like wet and stuff. That's pretty cool, I guess. So guys, for this trip I packed some snacks with some Pringles. Very nice. Got some bread, melon bun. Got some very sweaty Pocari Sweat. Got some water and of course whatever this thing was called. Yeah. So guys, let's unbox the toothbrush and stuff. Anyways, so yeah, let's unbox it and see what it's like. So guys, this is what it looks like. It's like made of plastic and stuff. So yeah, pretty solid toothbrush. This is the paste. It's this F plus day thin white, and then a bunch of like stuff in Chinese. So yeah. So guys, it was pretty good toothpaste, not gonna lie. So I give it thumbs up. Very nice. So guys, it's time for the train car tour, I think. Let's go downstairs, I guess. We've not been there yet, so yeah. This is the hallway. This is what the downstairs room looks like. And I like the upstairs room, except like down. So yeah, as I said, this is the hallway. All the rooms down here are like empty for some reason. I don't know why. There is like this staircase up, I guess. Some like up and downs in this train. Over here is like a door that doesn't seem to open. It's like a map of the train, I guess. So yeah. Over there is a sign that says car number 7, but in Japanese. So yeah. I'm gonna eat my bread now. This is where I slept. It was pretty nice. Like a bed and stuff. So yeah, we're in like a city now. So yeah. So guys, we're soon arriving in Tokyo. So far, I would say this has been a very fun trip. The bed was pretty nice. Pillow was pretty nice. Blanket was pretty nice. This was pretty nice. So yeah, I had no trouble sleeping. It was pretty cool, I guess. It was pretty worth it, I would say. Basically the same price as hotel, except you move in the hotel. So yeah, I would recommend this trip. Also, I forgot to mention, the shower room was also pretty nice to have, because I was really sweaty after climbing that mountain, you know, like muscular sweaty man. Yeah, that's me. So yeah, I'm in like the suburbs now, as you can see. Just south of Tokyo. We'll be arriving soon, I think. And that way we'll celebrate that the journey is over. So yeah. So guys, I made it to Tokyo. So yeah, let's maybe go somewhere quieter to end this video, guys. So guys, I made it to Tokyo Station. Just want to say the trip was really fun. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, like, subscribe or something. And if you do, I'll like make a video where I eat a leaf or something. I don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching. It was very fun. 10 out of 10 review. Bye bye.
寝台特急サンライズ出雲号をご利用くださいましてありがとうございます。